Yes, they're encouraging high school students to pursue a career in the skilled trades. I think that's actually a positive thing, right? I don't know if 10 million is going to be enough, but I think that for many years, when we were back in university, we were encouraged to go into white collar jobs. All of us thought that white collar and creative type jobs were going to be the last things to go when it comes to AI and robotics. And now, in the last year, we've all learned that no, that's not the case. You know what? In fact, it may be the people who put the HVAC in the building, who are willing to crawl into spaces and put the plumbing in and the electrical in. Maybe those jobs are the jobs that are going to survive a little longer than we would have otherwise expected, depending on how they construct these properties. Yes, they're encouraging high school students to pursue a career in the skilled trades. They're looking at also foreign credential recognition so that when the internationals who have and will continue to come to this country come accredited in their own country, that they can quickly get accredited to work in construction here. That's a big one.